Hello guys, welcome to Kweku Tech. If today is your first time here, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and the notification icon below. So today, I'm here to take you through how to buy the Pycon Ghana ticket. Pycon Ghana is coming and it will be host in, the location is not yet decided, but the tickets are available and the date for the program is also available. The program will be on the 13th of October. And before I take you through, let me tell you some of the things that uh, you need to know about the program. So as you can see on my screen, the program will start on the 13th of October. But that 13th of October, it will be a pre conference. That is a workshop day. That's when people will come together, do some kind of codings together and all those things. On the 14th and 15th of the program, on the 14th and 15th, that's the main program. That's when the main program will start. That's Friday and Saturday. I'll be there. I'll be volunteering on Saturday. I don't know if my volunteer will be accepted. I've voting for volunteering, and I hope to see you there. So I'll be buying two tickets, one for my cameraman and one for myself. So I'll be buying the individuals because we are individual going. There are student tickets, that's for students. The corporate tickets, I don't know, it's 150 cities. I don't know if it's for the whole organization or it's for an individual. So these tickets all are early bird, as you can see. So I'm recording this on in the early September, maybe from the late September going, the prices may increase. So student ticket is going for 80 Ghana cedis, individual is going for 99 cedis, and the sharing is also going for 99 cedis. So let's start. So I'll be going for the individual two. Then I'll click on the register. So as you can see, it's brought me back to another page which asks me to enter my details. That's for the registration. And as you can see on the screen, the two is 198 Ghana cedis. This is in cedis, not in dollars. So my first name is Justice, and here I'll be using Agbeko, and my Gmail is Justice Kweku 19 at gmail.com. And my phone number, I'm from Ghana, so I'll be selecting Ghana. Wherever you are coming from, you can select your country with. So my number is 055 181 5465. And my gender, I'm a male. It's only two. And where are you coming from? I'm from Ghana. So if I click on G, it will send me to the G column of the countries. And I'm from Ghana, so I'm selecting Ghana. My profession is software engineer. If you're a student, you enter the student. So it's because it's multiple, I'll be for, as you can see, they said for multiple tickets only, enter names of individuals. So I'll be entering my name, Justice Agbeko, AKLI Ackley, and my cameraman is called Raphael Ofori Mensa. So after that, I click on proceed to pay. So another page will also open for you, that is taking you to Paystack. So they are using Paystack for their payment. That's the payment gateway that they are using. But you can pay with either your card or your mobile money. So let's take it. Maybe I want to pay with my mobile money. I have to select the vendor. We have MTN, we have Airtel Tigo, and we have Vodafone. So maybe let me say MTN. So I need to enter my number 055 181. Then I click on confirm. The moment I click on confirm, a message will be sent to my phone to what confirm. That is, an alert will be sent to my phone number for me to confirm. That is to enter my PIN to confirm the payment. From if it is supposed to be card, I need to do the same thing, enter my card details, and after that I click on pay. For me, I'll be using my card, but for some reasons I'll be blurring this side that you will not see. After this, your bank will send you a confirmation to enter your OTP. That's your OTP pin that you'll be sent by your bank account. You need to enter that pin for them to confirm for you. After that, you make payment. Then your receipt will be sent to your Gmail. You receive your receipt in your Gmail. I'll show you how the receipt looks, but I'll be blurring some part of it for confidentiality, because if I show those kind of things, you can scan my QR code and you use it for the program. I'm not saying you are thieves. Nah, I can never suggest that, but for confidentiality, I need to take some things out. I hope this video has been useful. See you in the next video. Peace.